Easily get rid of rust in 3 ways. Use baking soda. Rinse out the rusty pan. Cover the pan with baking soda and let it sit for at least an hour. Then use a scouring pad to rub off the rust. Use vinegar. Rinse out the rusty pan, then wipe it clean with a cloth. Spray a 1-to-1 ratio of water and vinegar onto the pan. Let the mixture sit for 5 minutes. Then use a scouring pad to scrub lightly along the pan to remove the rust. Use cooking oil. Thoroughly scrape the cast iron pan with steel wool. Wash the pan with soap and water. Towel dry or place the pan on low heat for 1 to 2 minutes until dry. Then pour a quarter-sized amount of cooking oil into the pan and use a paper towel to coat the inside. Place the pan face down in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Place aluminum foil on the rack below to catch the excess oil. Finally, remove the pan and let it cool.